Do you do morning check-ins with your students and have them rate how they're feeling on a scale of? Well, I'm going to show you today how you can put those into Schoology. And I'm using Schoology Assessments. I'm going to show you the end product and then I'll go through how to create each of these. This first example is a highlight hotspot question where you draw on the image to create these hotspots. I just pulled this image off of the internet. This is a highlight image question type. I also got this image off of the internet, and with this question type, the students just draw on the image. This is a multiple choice question type where I have added clip art. And this is a fill in the blank drag and drop where I've also added clip art for the children to choose. So I've already created my assessment. And what I would recommend doing is creating, a different assessment for each one of these that you're going to do, and then create them in your resources so that you can use them over and over again. You just pull in the one that you want to do. So you can make seasonal ones, maybe you're going to do a ghost one around Halloween, that type of thing. So highlight hotspot. I'm going to choose that. And it's going to ask me to upload my image. So I go to where I have saved it on my computer. And I can resize it. So I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller so it takes up less of the screen. And I can restate what is on the image. And then I'm going to have to draw around all of these because I need to make them clickable. Once I've finished that, I need to scroll down and I need to tell the system what the answer is. So if you want to use this as kind of like a participation grade, then you would want to make sure that every single one of these answers is correct. So I'm going to choose this correct answer, but then I'm going to click this plus, and this is going to be an additional correct answer. So then I'm going to click on the 2, and I'm going to go through all these alternate answers until I can have every single one of these be a correct answer. And then click save. And I can preview that. And that is on the scale of Yoda. How do you feel today? The next type was highlight image. So create that. Again, the only thing that I have to do is upload the image. I can make it smaller if I want. And I can preview it. And this is the one where they draw on it. The next type is using the multiple choice question type. Can put in my question on a scale of ghost. How do you feel today? And I'm going to click in the options and I'm going to click on this little picture icon. Instead of clicking on this and finding where it is on my computer, I've already pulled up a window of my clip art and I'm just going to drag and drop it into. I am going to resize it so that the image is not so big. And then I'm going to continue to do that for all of the choices that I want. If I want more than 4 choices, I'm going to click on this option and I will do that for however many more lines I would like to use. Then I've got my choices, and I have to again tell the system what the correct answer is. Since I want any of these to be the correct answer, again, I need to do the alternate answers so that the system knows that every single one of these answer choices would be correct. And then this is what will look like. And they choose their answer. The last example is using the fill in the blank drag and drop. So this time it's going to be on a scale of hearts. You do want to make sure that you put that blank in there. So hit your shift and the dash to get the underscore to get that blank. And then I'm just going to do 4 options in this one. And just like the last example, I'm going to click on the little picture icon and drag and drop my clip art into. Just like with the last example, I need to tell the system what the answer is, but then I also need to give it the other choices. So I'm going to click on the plus and give all my other alternate answers. And preview this, and I'm just going to drag and drop. So I hope that gives you a few ideas about how you can use on a scale of inside of Schoology.